All right, today we changing out a smoke detector. It's not working. Crazy part, we just got these installed, right? And they're trash. So I'm gonna replace it. Take these wires up, place it, and put another one in. I gotta take this bracket out too, as you can see. And this is the one I'll be putting in. This one right here. Wire set up. The bracket. Stay tuned. Changing out the smoke detector. You can see. Oh, wait. That shut off some lights too. So I gotta be careful doing these. Cause shit be all rigged up. So and I'll be hooking this one up. Oops. I'll be hooking this one up. As you can see, we got it all hooked back up. If you're ever doing this live, make sure you always put the white wire first, and then you connect the black wire, and then you see this orange is gonna be your interconnect. You always wanna leave that like that, and when you put this back, you just wanna make sure no wires touching each other. And we just hook this back up like this, as I can show you. Give me a second. And there you go. And if you don't know what you're doing, I always recommend shut the power off, because you will get shocked. Have a nice day.